you measure between here and how wide I want it. I want it 16 inches, and I measured this. This is 40.5. So we go to here. I already made my marks. Now what's left is to cut it. So the frame is going to look something like this. Rough draft, bear with me. So my battery died mid-filming, but I got the framework done. This is pretty sturdy. Now I'm going to add the mount for my fish finder and a transducer on the other side. And I might add these. We'll see. And of course, my anchor setup. Alright, stay tuned. Now, for the transducer. This is where my transducer will go. The wires will come down through here and attach to the monitor on this side. I'm using this right here to seal up the plywood. Now it's all dried. Time to put the carpet on and go from there. Everything's nice and flush. It doesn't move at all. Nice and sturdy. Just gonna put my transducer on and my fish finder. Still have space under here. I'm gonna put the anchor under here. It is looking great. And I still have all of this space for a cooler, rod holders, whatnot. Super nice. Here I am finding my holes with my screw after I drilled on the other side through the carpet. So I'm just finding the hole and marking it with my permanent marker. So now I can find the holes whenever I mount my bracket. Line it up. And now all we need to do is put the nuts and the washers on. So far, got the fish finder mounted. I can always spin it around if I'm standing up here. Tomorrow I'm going to be making a transducer mount for it. It's going to go through here, the wiring. I'll show you guys, anchor, etc. But this is it so far. Stable, sturdy, it's not going anywhere, and I can remove it, which is awesome. Also underneath, I added carpet on the sides so it doesn't damage the actual boat itself. If you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button, give me a sub. Thank you for watching.